congratulations on Petni.
Thank you.
Firstly, I'll just ask a very light-hearted question. Do you own any Petni sarees?
I own many Patani saris because in my entire life I have portrayed multiple characters, Maharashtrian characters who were historical.
Yeah.
I have played Jizawu Ai Sahib, who was Shivaji Maharaj's mother,
Yeah.
in more than 5 films and a television show, and a few more.
Yeah.
So my career started with a show, which was a historical show, and I was 16 years old. And in that, I wore a traditional, original Pathanis from Peshwai.
Okay.
So that was my beginning. So I have a very charming relationship with Pathanis, and I own multiple Pathanis. People always remember me. If they want to gift me any sari, they think of Pathani. So I have a huge collection.
That is amazing. So did you learn, because when I was seeing the show, I saw that you, in most of the scenes you were in action. You were doing the entire like
I was weaving Pathanis.
Yeah, you were weaving Petnis. So did you learn the art from the original Petni makers or?
Yeah, definitely, because you play any part and you play it very convincingly. So you have to be convinced about that part.
Okay.
तो आप फेक नहीं कर सकते. आप बैठे हो वहाँ पे और वो चलाओ नहीं, वो सीखो नहीं, ऐसे नहीं हो सकता. And I was with them for so many days. So I took an opportunity to learn. I'm not master at it, I must admit, but I learned.
Okay, also it's interesting that you mentioned mythological shows.
Yeah.
You have worked in a lot of mythological shows. Is that something that really intrigues you as an artist?
Yes, because my grandfather was a historian and a novelist. So these two threads are, since we are talking about Pathani, these are two threads of my life which are very, very important for me. I have done many historical films, historical shows, and I love doing that.
Okay.
And secondly, I have done many shows on Zee also, which were based on literature. So जो नाना जी का मेरे धरोहर है, वो मैंने चालू रखने की कोशिश की है और करती रहूँगी. Because I did a show called Hasratein on Zee. It was based on a very popular Marathi novel called Adhantari. Then I did a show in Marathi on Marathi Zee, Avantika, which was a channel driver. That also was based on a novel. So ये दो threads मेरी life के बहुत important threads हैं, and I'll cherish them all my life.
Okay, so coming to Petni, coming back to it, how did the project happen for you, and how were you cast as the lead role?
I don't know, they must have thought of me, and they called me, and they were very keen that I should play this character. Gajendra is a national award winning director, and I have worked under him twice. So he thought of me probably, and then everybody said, oh yeah, let's work with her. And it was a beautiful experience for me because A, I'm a Maharashtrian, so Pathani is very close to heart. B, it was a mother and daughter story. I don't have a daughter, but I have a daughter-in-law who is newly married, and it's a new beginning of a relationship for me also. So to think of a daughter in a different perspective was very interesting, and the story was very appealing.
Okay, so since you're a mother and since you were playing a very doting mother in the show, are there scenes where you have taken inspiration from your motherhood, or do you often do that when you are playing characters? Do you take inspiration from real life?
Definitely, I do. I also, when I work for a character, when I prep for a character, I always think what can I add to the lines that my writer has written, and my director has his vision. What can I add to his vision? And I have played quite a few mothers by now, but this mother was very different because she has gone through a lot. She's a single mother, and she wants to prove herself, and with that she wants to give सीख तो नहीं कह सकती, बट शी wants to teach her daughter how to stand on her own feet,
Yeah.
how to dream and how to fulfill her dreams.
Yes.
So it's a very nice relationship and I enjoy doing it.
Yeah, so the show also covers a lot of like it's a very relaxing show to watch, to be
Yes,
honest, but
yes.
it also covers a lot of important themes like women empowerment and like abuse at home, which many women go through.
Correct.
So while reading the script, what these things that intrigued you, or how did you approach these scenes when you were playing the character?
When I'm offered any character or any role, I see to it that I should play a strong character.
Okay.
I don't like those rondu women at all, even on screen. So I admit कि किसी भी story में first you have to be little rondu, first you have to jailify things and
Yeah,
then you
yeah.
come out of it.
Yeah.
So that much is fine. But I definitely like to portray women who have their own strength, who come out of any situation and stand on their own feet. People look up to such women and वो एक जैसे बहुत अच्छी लाइन लिखी है पैठनी में कि एक धरोहर है, तो यू हैव टू जैसे वी हैव शॉट दिस ऑन रिवर बैंक, most of it, beautiful visuals, and उसमें हम कहते हैं कि नदी सीख देती है, जैसे नदी सुख और दुख अपने सीने में छुपाए बहती रहती है, मतलब it doesn't stop, just like women. कुछ भी प्रॉब्लम हो जाए लाइफ में तो वो बैठी नहीं रहती, औरत कभी भी बैठी नहीं रहती. शी हैज़ इमेंस स्ट्रेंथ इन हरसेल्फ, और वो उठ के खड़ी हो जाती है और वो लड़ती है, और वही सबक वो अपनी बेटी को देना चाहती है. सो विमेन एम्पावरमेंट का एक नमूना है ये शो. इट्स अ क्रिस्प एंड ब्यूटीफुल नमूना, आई मस्ट से.
That is true. That is really true. And as I said, it's a very relaxing show to watch.
Yes.
There are no like climactic
Correct.
endings or something which will shake me or
Correct.
make me uncomfortable.
Correct.
So was that a conscious choice from the very beginning to keep it like relaxing, to just show the facets of a mother-daughter relationship?
Yes. And that is what attracted me towards the script, because हमेशा ऐसे होता है ना कि डैन 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 डैन, और फिर एपिसोड का एंड ऐसे होना चाहिए, ऐसा होना चाहिए, ऐसा दिखना चाहिए. हमारी लाइफ में ऐसे नहीं होता है.
True.
तो if you want to depict a life which is close to reality, I think such stories are very, very important.
That is true. And as an actor, since you've been here for so long, as an actor, now that you have done so many projects, have there been any things that you knew before that you had to unlearn as an actor while in your career, being in your career?
No, वो learning और unlearning की process तो चलती ही रहती है.
Okay.
Without that you can't play a new character.
Okay.
Because recently I've been acting in a series of historical films.
Yeah.
I play Jizawa Aiseb, who is the strongest of all. Such a woman who dreamt of Swarajya and Swadharma and Swatantrata. And she imbibed those principles in her son and a grandson.
Yes.
And she saw to it कि वो पूरा हो जाए सपना. So she's a very strong-headed female.
Yes.
But यहाँ Godavari is not a strong-headed person. She's calm. She's calm like a river. जैसा मैंने आपको कहा कि रिवर के नदी के अंदर कई सारे राज होते हैं, लेकिन वो सुख दुख को लेके बहती रहती है और देती रहती है, वो कुछ लेती नहीं है आपसे. Mother is like that only. She always gives. She doesn't ask for anything. And the story is such a beautiful thing कि वो बेटी भी देना सीखती है अपनी माँ से. Because she's a औरत है, तो औरत को जाके देना ही सीखना है. So it's a very nice give and take.
Even the storyline with you and your mother in the show was very, very beautiful.
Yes.
Your mother was a very in one instance I remember you are telling her कि she's often like always सब हंसी मजाक में लेती है, and then so how was it preparing for these scenes with the entire cast for that matter?
It was a huge fun.
Hmm.
All three of us, my mother, me, and Isha,
Yeah.
we had a lot of fun on the set.
Yeah.
But वो एक womanhood होता है ना,
Hmm.
so it was a common thread
Yeah.
for all of us. And I really like when the writer compared women with Nadi, with the river.
That is true.
And I could see in all generations वही एक बहती धारा है,
Yeah.
संस्कारों की है, वो प्रिंसिपल्स की है, मूल्यों की है,
Yes.
और मे बी इन डिफरेंट फॉर्म्स.
Yeah.
एक माँ अपनी बेटी के लिए सपने देखती है, वो माँ अपनी बेटी के लिए सपने देखती है, और उनके सपने पूरे करने के लिए बेटी अभी प्रयास कर रही है, कोशिश कर रही है.
Okay. So you have also dabbled into direction.
जी.
What lessons have you learned as an artist while dabbling into direction?
It's not simple.
Yeah.
A. Second, it's not simple for an actor. It is in a way it is simple for an actor to explain,
Yeah.
but to be on the sets and to rule is not everybody's cup of tea. Initially, as a female director, everybody looks at you with a little doubt in their minds कि अच्छा मैडम अभी डायरेक्टर बन गई हैं, तो ये मैडम तो बहुत खूबसूरत है, ये तो बड़ी सिंपल दिखती है, बड़ी क्यूट सी है, ये चिल्ला पाएंगी? तो एक बार चिल्ला के दिखाना पड़ता है उनको कि yes, I can do it, I can do that also. But when they understand I know my craft, when they understand I know what I want and I can get it done, then it becomes easy.
Are you a strict director?
I'm a strict person.
Okay. What is next for Mrinal ji after Pen?
See, मेरी तो अभी double reel है, as an actor also and as a director
Yes,
also. My fifth film is in pipeline
Okay.
as a director, and another film is releasing on the 22nd called Dhai Aakhar, which is based on literature. It's a Hindi film.
Okay.
So many things are going, some are in pipeline, some are in the stage of writing, and acting is going on.
Okay. You dabble into a lot of serious roles, is
Yes.
what I'm seeing. That is a
Yes.
conscious choice for you.
Not really. I want to do lighter characters, but people think I'm very, very serious person, which is
Okay.
not the case. So I'm really looking forward. Please listen and cast me in a lighter role.
Okay.